Hello everyone, welcome you all in my new video. In this video, I am going to explain why the gravity value is more at pole, not at equator. So basically in last video, we saw gravitational force, how we calculate the value of G by the equation G is equals to Gm over R square, where R is the radius of Earth and R is the radius of Earth and m is the mass of the Earth. And G is the gravitational constant. So G is the gravitational constant. So we know the value of G is 9.8 meter per second square. Uh, we get this value by simple pendulum experiment. How the formula for we know the formula for the simple pendulum is time period of that pendulum is given by t is equals to 2 pi root over L by G, where L is the length of the string of simple pendulum, G is gravity value and T is time period. So simple pendulum is look like this. Some kind of mass m is attached over there and this is the length L and T is start from here and this complete one cycle from point A to point B. We will get T. So from T and L we will get the value of G. How? By squaring the above equation, T square is equals to 4 pi square L by G, or G will be 4 pi square upon T square into L. So this is the simple formula to calculate the value of G at anywhere on the earth surface. Now just talk about the unit of gravity, that is either CGS. First unit is CGS and the other is SI. So Galileo made the first measurement of the acceleration due to gravity. So in his honor, the CGS unit of gravity is called Gal, and 1 Gal is equal to 1 centimeter per second square. So this is the CGS unit of gravity in honor to Galileo. Next one is SI unit. So SI unit will be in meter per second square or micrometer per second square, or written as micrometer per second square, or GU, that is gravity unit. GU, that is gravity unit, and 1 gravity unit is equals to 0.1 milligal. This is the relation between CGS and SI unit. So the mean value of gravity on the earth surface is taken as 981 gals. This is the mean value. So the next is, in the gravity exploration, both milligal and gravity unit are commonly used. So we can use either this CGS unit or SI unit. So now our next point is why the gravity is more at pole, not at equator. So as we know, the value of gravity at pole, which I denote here is Gp, will be 983,218.6 milligal. This is the value of gravity at pole. This is the value of gravity, you can say here. And in the figure you can see here, this is the pole and the value of gravity. Gp is equals to 983,218.6 milligal, and the value of gravity at equator will be 978,032.7 milligal. So you can see here the difference is, if d is the difference, and so the difference is 5186 milligal. So there is a difference between gravity. So at pole gravity is maximum, at equator gravity is minimum in compared to pole. So there are three reasons due to this the gravity is maximum at pole and minimum at equator. So the first one is polar and equatorial radius. This is RE and RP. The first reason is RP and RE, because here you can see, as you know, radius of equator, radius at equator is larger than radius at pole, and we know G is equals to Gm over R square. So if R is greater, G will be lesser. At equator, the value of G is less in compared to pole, because RE is greater than RP, so GE will be lesser than GP, and the amount will be 6000 milligal. So the value at pole will be more than 6000 milligal in compared to the value at equator. And the next reason is the rotation of the earth along its axis. So due to this, the value of pole, the value of gravity at pole will be larger by the amount of 3375 milligal. At pole, the gravity of the value of gravity is more at pole due to rotation of earth. So the above two value, that is 6000 plus 3375 will give 9375 milligal. So this is, and the last reason is there is a decrease in gravity due to the fact that the equatorial bulge places an axis of mass in the equator, increases the equatorial gravitational attraction. How? We know G is equals to Gm over R square. So at equator the mass will be more in compared to pole, so the resultant value will be 5186 milligal. So these are the three reasons. First one is polar and equatorial radius. second one is rotation of earth, and due to this the gravity value increases at pole. And the third reason is bulge mass at equator increase at equator in compared to pole. So resultant of these three, we will get the value of 5186 milligal. The value of gravity is this amount of gravity will in more at pole in comparison to equator. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.